On my previous video, I've shown you this material, which is an alternative to that of a sandbox, and this is how I came up with it. First, I need the following materials. On this material, I chose to use a masking tape as an adhesive and stuck them inside this plastic container. I pasted my chosen paper cutouts on them. You may also opt to use just a single colored paper if that is your preference. Now secure the sides with some tape. And if you have some clear tape, you may cover the paper to keep it in place for much longer. And lastly, pour your desired amount of grades. Having learning materials for your child need not break the bank. Use resources you can find at home and just add patience and a little creativity.
Thanks for watching! Bye!
Share this to all your families and friends, and don't forget to click like and subscribe.